Today we will be writing a script for our shooting enemy game. So let's begin. To start scripting our first game, let us write the first script for our first sprite, that is the gun, or we can also see as a sprite holding the gun in hand. So to begin with, go to the event section, select when flag clicked, go to the control section, select the if-then block. Now, this if-then block that we are going to use is to rotate this gun on each and every direction so as we can fire the bullet as the enemy comes in our way. So, to turn in any of the direction, we will sense a key pressed in the if-then loop. To sense the key pressed, we'll go into the sensing section, drag the block key pressed, put inside the if loop, select the key on which will determine the turning of this little sprite. So for example, if we have to turn to the right hand side, we will select the right arrow. So if the key right arrow is pressed, go to the motion section, drag a block which says turn 15 degrees and place inside the if. As we have checked for the right arrow thing and we have turned the sprite to 15 degree, similarly we will also add a condition if the left arrow is pressed to turn anti-clockwise. So again, go to the if section, drag the if-then block, go to the sensing section, drag the key pressed block, select the respective key and select the respective motion block, that is the anti-clockwise motion. Now we have written the script to turn it clockwise and written a script to turn it anti-clockwise. Suppose we have to move the sprite in the upwards direction. To do so, go to the control section again, click on the if-then flag, if-then block, go to the sensing section, drag the key pressed, put inside the if-then condition, check for the up arrow. So if the up arrow is pressed, go to the motion section and move 10 steps. So now we are considering and checking three different conditions, which are the right arrow, the left arrow and the up arrow. So on checking the right arrow, we are shifting or turning it to clockwise direction 15 degree, and if we are checking the left arrow, it's turning anti-clockwise 15 degree, and if we are pressing the up arrow, it's moving 10 steps ahead. Now we have to check all these operations continuously. So go to the control section, drag a forever block, place inside the place below the when flag clicked, and then one by one drag this if checks inside the forever. Each and every if checks will go inside the forever because we are going to check each and every step forever. Let us check if it's executed. Press the green flag. I'm pressing the right arrow, so it's on every press of the right arrow, the sprite is moving in the clockwise direction. Now I'm pressing the left arrow, so on every press of the left arrow, the sprite is moving on the left side. If I'm pressing the up arrow, the sprite is moving in the up direction. So this is a script for the sprite 1 for its basic movements. In the next video, we will write a script for the bullet.